monster. That's what I talk about, y'all. Big money catfishing. This is what we do. Rip and lift hook on the Whisker Whopper. Look at this bad boy here.
Oh yeah, he's nice.
Woo, yes. Get the string off of it.
Good fish.